Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips, potting up tomatoes. After you start to see the first true leaves of your tomatoes, and before they get too leggy, it's time to start potting them up. I started these in seed starter, not soil. So I'm going to fill the next size up pots with some real soil. I'm going to lightly compress all of them, add a little bit more of the fluffy mix on top, just to fill it out. You don't want it too compressed. Lightly water the soil, the real potting soil. I like to use a screwdriver to help make the holes that will be perfect for the plugs that I'm going to take. So you'll see my Roma Tomato here. I use the blade of a spoon, the end of a spoon, and kind of pry out the little plugs. You'll see you got a lot of nice little roots. And then just tuck it all inside each of the holes in your pots. Tuck the whole plug in. Just compress it down a little bit with your fingers. Don't crush the tomato stems. Again, just pry it up and put the plug in and give it a nice little touch down to get rid of any air pockets. Get all of your seedlings in. These are in now, they're 2-inch square pots. I'm going to pot up again. This is 4 weeks after that last bit. Put a little bit more of the soil in the larger pots. The soil's all sifted, so there's no bits of mulch and bark and whatnot that hasn't composted down. Then I'm going to squeeze a little bit, loosen up the plug inside that small 2-inch cell, and tease the roots a bit so that they're not too root bound. Just not too much, just a little bit. Tuck it into a corner. Add a little soil to fill in all the holes. Compress it down again. You don't want air holes. You don't want the roots to get damaged by dying off from air. Again, tease it out a little. In it goes. Add some more soil to surround the holes, surround the plug. Get rid of any air. Just keep on going. Repeat till you get all your tomatoes potted up. It's important, when you're potting up, make sure you don't damage the roots and crush the stem. But you do want to compress so that there is no air pockets. That can be one of the bigger things that'll damage your tomatoes. So, again, tease it all out, get it in there, fill in the air holes, compress it down a little bit. And then it's important, give them a nice watering. That's important. I do a little bit on top and then bottom water. And then for me, it's underneath the lights, the grow lights. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.